So guys, change of program. So since Kelia has been bit by the jellyfish, she doesn't want to swim anymore. So I'm actually right now going to the KWS offices to take the tickets. So the same ride we did yesterday. So I've called the captain, he's okay. Guys, I'm back with the best captain in Mombasa, Mr. Chai, Mr. Mohammed Akopale. So wow, so this is going to be a great surprise because my children don't know. They don't know. So it will be fantastic, sana. So I was thinking that when the two are getting, it's okay, huh? Yeah. So no, so we're going to. I guess we'll see the fish, yeah, of course. But then we're just going to do directly to a place where they can dive and swim, and yeah. So yeah, I'm excited. Are you excited? Very much. Very much. Huh? Yeah, me too. Yeah. So again, we're in the same boat with Mr. Chai and Mr. Mohammed, so we're very happy to be here. So let's go. And then of course guys, please, when you come here, call them. You will have the number down below, so feel free to call them. Sawa. So we are about to surprise Enzo and Kelia. Oh God. Where are they? Oh, copy? Oh! Enzo! Enzo! Surprise! Yeah! Yeah! Hein? Careful, attention! Trop bien. Are you happy? Yeah. Hein?
C'est pas le même lac?
Non, c'est pas le même, mais on va aller là-bas. Enzo, are you happy? How wonderful would it be? Je suis prêt. Yes. And then jellyfish, you say? Méduse.
Méduse, jellyfish.
Yes. Méduse.
Balance.
Oh, let me go on the other side.
Okay, I'm going under the glass.
All right. Okay. So guys, so my children are going to dive and to observe the fish. Are you ready? Yes? Okay. And then you can see our captain. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Yes? Woohoo! Are you ready, Kelia? Let's go. Woohoo! So here they are, observing the fish, and Captain Charlie's too, doing some sports.
Hey, are you okay? Go.
Go. Kelia, suis-le. Oh, wow. So we are in the middle of the Indian Ocean. You have the reef all the way there. And then that's a deep sea where you see the reef right there. Selma!
I can take you if you want.
Yeah, you just go on.
Magic.
Wow. Good job.
Now or after?
After you.
Et en même temps, c'est trop bien. Mais c'était...
1, 2, 3, go! Okay. And so you ready?
No, it's not me.
Oh, it's Charlie?
Yeah, the captain.
Okay. And then the next one you will jump the three of you. 1, 2, 3, go! Yay!
Just...
Wow.
Okay. Now.
1, 2, 3, go! Want to turn?
J'ai fait un 3-6.
Wow.
Mais pourquoi s'il te plaît?
Okay.
Okay, no, your turn.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go!
Wow!
Wow. C'est mal là.
Wow!
Oh wow!
Nice!
1, 2,
3,
attends. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1.
I can't for you. One.
No. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
One life. Mom, film. Je vais faire un 3-6, il faut que tu regardes. S'il te plaît. Viens.
Je filme.
Okay, right now we're doing this. You do a stunt, I repeat.
Oh yeah.
Then I do a stunt, you repeat, okay?
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
it's okay. Alright. Are you ready?
Yes.
Bouge pas. 1, 2,
Mais c'est pas trop compliqué.
1, 2, 3.
Ok, Kélia, you do the same thing. But feel mieux. Feel mieux. Do your best. Okay? One.
One. How many ones do you have? One. I count for you. One. Go.
No, go. Do your best. Or go on the top. Il n'y a pas de rebord là-bas. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, perfect. Perfect.
One.
Hey, come on, Kenneth, you did it.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Woo! Very good. Oh, very good. Okay, your turn.
Ça m'a claqué le pied.
Hey, come on, boss.
One.
One. One. One.
One.
Oh, yes.
Okay, it was like going.
Yeah, a swirl. Yeah.
Okay, one.
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 2.
One. I'm keeping you company. Okay, going.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Swirl. Woohoo!
Good one. I think I did right. Huh?
Yes. Mr. Charlie, your turn.
Now it's my turn.
Okay.
Go. 1, 2. Oh! Woo! Nice. Go. Oh. Woo!
That's a piece of.
Oh! Oh wow.
You ready?
Legs together, my friend. Put your legs together, yeah.
Yeah.
1,
2.
3, go!
Yay! That's the one. That's the one. Enzo, your turn.
Let's go.
Are you ready?
2, 3, go!
Yay! Guys, we are having a lovely time here with Captain Charlie. Can you say hello? Where is, oh, here he is. Captain Charlie, can you say hello,
Hello.
to my people? Yes. And there you have Mohammed. Yes. So guys, if you come to Mombasa, please, you can see how kind they are, how welcoming they are. You know how playful they are as well. We are having a great time. So please make sure you come and see them. Please make sure you tell them that Connie sent you to come to them. You will get the best rates. Mtapatia bei nzuri. Yes, you will have the best rates, and I'm telling you guys, you will not be disappointed. So please come and promote them because they're very, very nice people. They honestly, they're brothers now. So I know for a fact that each time I come to Mombasa, I will look for them. So you'll find the number down below. And yeah, so please come, promote. Promote them.
And subscribe.
And subscribe, yes. How many subscribers? 1 million.
Yeah.
Yes. So you know, they said it, 1 million subscribers. So please make sure you subscribe, hit the like button and share, and please come to Mombasa. All right, so let's continue having fun.
Let's go, Enzo.
Your heart is beating?
Yeah, il est en train de... Il va faire ça.
Ah, okay. Wow. All right, let's go, Enzo.
Yes, we are.
1, 2, 3, go!
No, it's too fast. 1.
2, 3.
Enzo, let's go!
Enzo.
Yay! Okay.
Very good.
Nice.
Okay.
Another good one.
Okay, okay.
Maintenant, je fais le mouvement dans l'air. Let's go.
Are you ready, Kelia?
Yes.
For the good one?
Yes.
Okay, let's do this.
One. Okay, yeah, two.
It's far away, eh?
Oh, so a long jump. Okay, so let's see a long jump.
One.
Like what Enzo did, yeah?
Yeah.
Go.
He's counting.
Okay.
You count for yourself. You have 10 ones.
One.
But for me,
Okay. Let me count for you.
okay.
Okay. 1,
One.
2,
Three.
3, go!
Woo!
That is good.
Yeah.
Back is hurting.
Yes.
Let's clap for me.
Woo! Woohoo! 2, 1, 2.
Now, what's it your turn?
This is it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm also scared.
This is it.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go. Woohoo! Go, go. Oh, wow.
And after, I don't know.
Okay. Fais le crayon. You jump straight.
Okay. And after, I do that.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Okay?
You got this. Go, 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 go.
I jump.
Kelia, your turn. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, the machine. Yeah.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Okay.
Okay, let's go. Go, 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 go. Tu fais un crayon?
Ouais.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Wow.
Non, c'est différent.
Bah ouais. Wow, good job, Kelia. Very good. So the captain is going to jump high. Are you ready, captain? Yes. So 1, 2, 3. Captain, the meow jump. Wow, she's so brave. Right now we have a surprise from the captain. So let me see what he has to offer us. Ah, he has a surprise. So wait a second. Yeah. Wow, Captain, thank you for the surprise.
Thank you.
Wow. Okay. Let's see. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Tiens bien, Kelia. Hold it well.
Si jamais je perds, je crie. Hein.
Ouais, t'inquiète. Oh, wow. Are you happy for the surprise? Wow.
Il n'y a pas de poisson et tout. Et des méduses.
Oh.
Okay, come closer, yeah?
Woohoo! So nice. Hey!
Say bye to the fish.
Say goodbye, fish. Are you ready? Are you ready, faster? How Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Wow. So please remind our viewers your numbers again.
Okay, 07 20 09
Uh-huh.
22
Uh-huh.
38.
Yes.
Yeah,
All
that's the
right.
number.
That's a number.
Yeah.
They can reach you anytime,
Anywhere.
anywhere, any day. Yes,
Yeah,
fantastic.
we're always available.
All right.
Yeah.
So just know that some of the people that will come from me,
Yeah.
they will say I've been sent by Connie.
Connie.
Yes. So when you hear that, promotion. A good price, huh? Yes. So guys, please come back and support them so much. You'll find Charlie and yes, of course. Yes, Mahamud. Yes. So welcome to Mombasa. Oh, so before I forget, we only find you at the Nyali beach, right?
Yeah.
Yes? Okay. Okay. So guys, it's at the Nyali beach. If you ever want to come and and support the captain. And so how do I call you? The captain, crew. Oh yes, crew.
Crew, Mohammed,
Uh-huh.
and the captain.
Yeah.
Arabia, Chai.
Exactly,
Yeah.
chai. Yeah. So it's very easy to remember because chai means tea
Yeah, yeah.
in Swahili. Yes, and the crew Mohammed. So that is the name of the boat, Mkamuri Glass Boat. So please support them.